Slow though, we'll probably walk it, you know. Goddamn, road's in off-road mode. Literally has 4 bucket seats. Alrighty, and we are here at SP Auto Works. It looks like they got a couple of cool cars. We got a Vet 720, 765, crazy ass looking RX-7. This is tiny. Yeah. Whew. Yeah, it's a little spicy outside. Yeah, there ain't much.
Going straight in the school's office, but not that.
Alright. Whew.
Woo.
They're all Liberty Walks.
You coming here?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm taking my helmet off, and this vlog is getting switched to phone vlog because I am not wearing my helmet in this heat. Alright, yeah guys, like you guys heard, I am switching this to the iPhone vlog because it is too damn hot to deal with this right now. Slow though, we'll probably walk it, you know. Clean at 720. We'll come and look at that. They're all coming to look at the bikes right now. It's slow. It's just 1,000. There's no boost.
That thing is.
Yeah, it's definitely.
Blade, bro, you can't sleep on the blade.
I thought it was gonna be closer. I thought it was ours was. Thank you. Yeah,
I go a little bit faster at night, but not that much. Like that thing's.
But I was hot too. Normally it runs at like 170s, and it was 185.
Yeah.
It was running warm. So, yeah. And you got the boost cool, so you should run theoretically a little bit cooler.
Yeah, I should.
Naturally aspirated, that's when all the power gets lost. When we got boost, you can at least got an intercooler.
You got pop?
Yeah, I got my shit solo, bro.
I was with my boy last weekend. He was telling me reckless evasion.
No way, bro. I didn't even know the car was behind me, bro. I was doing
We didn't either.
I had no mirrors, bro, so I looked behind me.
Yeah.
We were doing 80 first time.
But yeah, we'll walk around in a second, guys. Check out everything else here. We're just gonna chill after a long ride.
Damn, bro.
That's the extra large. You want a large?
I'm dying.
Buckets all around. Some RS60s.
That is crazy. Literally has 4 bucket seats. And I feel like that display isn't stock either. He even has like the Ducati twill. Like you don't see that on cars at all. The 1x1.
18, that's how much I paid. I said give it to her. Oh, that's fine. Give it to her. Just give it to her. Yeah.
Got a big ass carbon intake, carbon fiber, engine cover, some sick stuff. Oh, it's a Q3. I thought it was an RS3 hatch. Carbon engine covers, carbon steering wheel. Actually, on some clean wheels. I love the chrome lip. BC4, so drop some money on them. I'm looking for a new set of wheels soon, and those are clean.
In the back.
Oh, got a built sound. You even got a full sound system back here.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, with a clean looking trunk. Actually, that's the same sub I have. That's a 10 kicker squared. Painted tank. And then we know this is all what Mama has. Ooh, do we buy this wing for Mom? This is actually a nice wing. CLS, I'm guessing. I don't know if it's a 550, 450. But clean. And then Insane RX-7. Let's give it a try. Yeah, I'm gonna try it with you. Yeah, no, the carbon on it's insane.
It's alright.
Slow. Slow, you know.
The wide body?
The wrap shop, whoever did is terrible, no.
Why don't we have these?
Because we're not into crypto like these guys. Yeah, we got to get into crypto. Let's take a look at the RX-7 now real quick. That's a big ass intercooler and a decent sized turbo. So he is probably making some boost. See anything over here real quick? Got some Dodge. Some Dodge. We got a Daytona 392. Oh. A Hellcat. Is that a Durango? I think they're Durango Hellcats. Got the Chevy truck, another Dodge, nothing too crazy. Oh, this like reddish forged carbon looks pretty sick. RT, the colored halos. Wonder if this is lady driven with the cheetah print. Oh, it's manual too? Oh yeah, Amberley. Cheetah print Hellcat manual. I got all the cheetah print on the inside. Lady driven. Kitty cat. That's sick. This is crazy. I feel like this is probably, yeah, it's hand drawn on. Wide body. Molded wide body too, which is sick. Carbon hood. Wrapping something. That's a cool color shift. Didn't even know it was color shift. It's greenish to purple. I don't know if you guys can tell. Another color shift. Hell Kitty. Got a C8 and a Benzo.
That's just aired up.
He's adjusting his steering wheel now. Oh, there we go. He grabbed the lift control. Goddamn, bro's in off-road mode. Look at the front.
Right? On the back, but you need that clearance though.
Yeah. Oh, with how low he is for sure.
It's that lift too.
Alrighty, that's a wrap to this pretty cool meet. SP Auto Works, congrats on the grand opening. Insane. We did come out with some names. Let me know what you guys think. Any H2 we are with is going to be Megatron, and we're naming this Optimus or Prime. Everybody calls it a Transformer, so let me know. Drop a comment on what you think. Do we name it Optimus or do we name it Prime? What do you guys think? Alright, guys. I will hop out of here. We are going to mob back. Probably not going to vlog much, but alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.